Good morning, friends. It's Nancy. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to December D-Stash. So every day in December, I'll be sharing a new themed collection from my studio. Everything from books, images, textiles, even some ephemera handmade by me. So today, the theme that I have put together here is tulips, and this bundle is going to include 2 issues of this 1968 Ideals magazine. It has beautiful images and illustrations. Look at this, that you can use in your paper art projects. I'm a little close. Oh, there's one about Alice in Wonderland. But tulips. So, we've got 2 copies of the exact same ideals. I also have a book cover with tulips on it. This is Hans Brinker. So of course this is, about skating, the silver skates. But the title, the cover has tulips on it. That would be a great tulip-themed journal cover. Next I have, let's do some textiles. Look at this beauty. So it's got hand crochet, it's got some drawn thread work, and it's in amazing condition, and of course decorated with tulips. Got a chunk of fabric here with pink tulips. Here's another part of a vintage textile. Has a little bit of crochet trim and some embroidery. Here's the other side of it. It's not in great shape. It's got some stains there, but maybe that could be cut away or covered up or ignored. And then I have this piece. I believe this is part of a tablecloth. I think I used half of it, and this is the other half that has these peach colored tulips. They're good size. It's got some staining on the edge. That's all hand stitched. And then there's another little bit of a scrap with tulips on it. Here's a couple things I've made. So this is an altered envelope, business window envelope, that can be used as a pocket in your journal. And here's another pocket that I've stitched around. It just needs to be glued to a page. We've got some little bits and parts here. Oh, this is an applique. So it could be stitched down or glued down in a journal. Look at that. Cute, 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 cute. That's vintage feed sack fabric too, and I made this. I made this to go into a spring journal and then never used it. We have some stamps with tulips on it. Those are US stamps. This one looks Russian or something. Not sure. Just the word tulip. Is a vintage card. Doesn't look like it's been used. Oh, it was used. So somebody was sick But it's folded in quarters, so it could be cut apart. Well, there's another stamp. These are images that I cut from a book. It's a wine label with tulips on it. This is actually a Christmas card, but it has tulips. It's just the front of a card. This has got to be 100 years old. Here's a 1912 postcard. Here's another Dutch guy. No date on it. It's more Dutch folks. They were both printed, these last two were both printed in Holland. They have some paper napkins. This one hasn't even been opened. So these can be used to do some decoupage. There's some scraps of that. I have a book here called the Treasury of Tulips, and I've taken it apart and I've cut some of it up. So it has little verses and images related to tulips. Look at that, that's pretty. And these pages as well. So lots of opportunities for fussy cutting here, that's for sure. It's from a book about flowers. We've got lots of individual pages here. Oh, I've got a couple rolls of wallpaper border, scraps of, this one is looks like it's mostly scraps. I think this one is whole. So there's probably 5 yards on there, I would reckon. I think that's the standard size for borders. Okay, come on over here. Let's just see what we've got. So these I've actually glued onto paper. I intended to use them. And I think all of these are tulips. So they've all been backed. Now we're into some pages that haven't been backed. These came from a book about tulips. So there's some old botanicals in there. And there's pictures on both sides, I think. Ooh, those are some goodies. Here's another napkin with tulips. These ones are a matte finish. These ones are shiny. This one is shiny. But I've got a whole stack of matte finish here. Similar botanical. Looks like I was having some fun there. So these ones might even be good to frame if you're into that sort of thing. But that one has a butterfly and a caterpillar. I'll just sort of flip through because there's a lot here. And then towards the back here, there's tiles and other images related to tulip culture. Tulips on a Young Daughter of the Picts by the Huguenot artist Jacques Lemoyne de Morgue. How was that? How's my French? There's a turkey among the flowers. Turkey and the tulips. Anyway. So there is a ton of tulip-themed stuff here. I might find more, but we'll see if there's room in the box. If this is something you're interested in purchasing, go over to my Etsy shop now. There's only one. It's one of a kind. And so lots of images, some books, authentic postcards, a couple things that I made myself, lots of textiles, and postage stamps that I just threw on the floor, as well as a cover for a journal and some Ideals magazines. All right. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you think this was a fun time to flip through some of the things that I've curated over the years. And take care of yourselves. Come back again tomorrow and see what I will have in store.